Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Declutter, and in today's video I'll be showing you how I'm going to organize my diarist closet. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure your bell notification is on, leave a comment below and like this video. And now let's get started. They still don't fit her right now, so maybe they'll fit her next summer. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put these clothes away. I did buy a bin from Target, which is I'll be showing you right now. Okay, so this is the bin that I got from Target. So I'm gonna put all of the clothes that don't fit her right now. So all of the clothes that don't fit her this year, that will fit her maybe hopefully next year, they're in this bin. So I'm gonna close it and put it on the side. Next thing that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start getting rid of stuff that are not gonna fit her anymore. She has some stuff that don't fit her that I need to donate if they are in a good condition, and then I'll work from here and I'll take everything down and we'll keep moving forward. Also, I do have a lot of hangers in here, so I'm just gonna get rid of the ones that I don't need and keep the ones that I need to hang her stuff. We did start our summer shopping, I'll say 3 months ago. We were planning to go on vacation, and so we had to start early, but you know, obviously because of Corona, we could not travel. So let me know, did you guys start your summer shopping or not yet? I feel like she still needs more stuff, like especially daily stuff. So I'll be need to get her some of those. So I have these two bins. I get them from Dollar Tree, I'll say maybe a year ago. So what I'm gonna add in these ones, I'm gonna put one her bathing suit, another one like her beach purse, her hat. So they're right here. So what I did right here on the top, these are like winter clothes, which is I think they'll fit her next year because they still have some room in them. So I kept those here. So the stuff that she'll be wearing next year, they're right there. And then over here, right here, as I said, I put her bathing suit and her beach purse and hat. And then right in the bottom, I have all of her dresses from the right, and then like matching sets, and then like t-shirts and a couple skirts. Basically, that's it. It looks great, nice and organized, much easier to access to stuff that she wants to wear. Alright guys, I'm done organizing my daughter's closet. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Make sure your bell notification is on. Leave a comment below and like this video. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye!